Happy New Year! Why?
Daddy!
Why? It's New Year ah.
Daddy, are you not the fireworks?
Oh, why?
They go to my neighbor's house and Chico and then they explode and then mother go let them go to sleep and Chico.
They sugat?
Like you!
What happened to your sugat? Ala, ala, ala!
Kasi the fireworks and then you're outside! Sa panic ka!
Why is it your papa?
Kasi you go out and then you forgot this, the fireworks is dangerous!
Yeah, but I protect myself.
See? And last time I go to outside with Mama and Mambala and I buy burger and then I saw the car palala. Bawal po po.
Paalala, bawal paputok.
Ayoko out.
But in front lang the store, in front lang, I can go out far away.
But I saw you there.
And then you're angry to me?
Yeah.
And then what you do to me? Ano what? You sampalin mo ako? Ay, sampal mo na si Mama.
No.
How about me?
Mommy always protect me and you're not.
Ayun na, may fireworks again. I go out.
Wag na, Alvin. Ayaw
Go inside na. We take a picture na lang.
Madali na.
Take a picture.
Daddy, don't go out. You see, I buy burger with Mommy and Mama and then